So gonna make this short. If you own a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2025 or newer with the 2.0 liter turbo Hurricane engine, and your car all of a sudden fails to start, well, just know this. You've got a battery underneath the passenger seat, which is a small 12-volt lead acid battery, and you've got a battery underneath the driver's seat, which is the main cold cranking amp battery. If both batteries fail, the navigation, all the screens will not come on. Booster packs just don't have the horsepower to get them going. So get yourself an Optima battery, or any other battery for that matter. Hook it up, and then get your jumper cables and hook it on the big battery. And at that point, you'll be able to either crank the vehicle or get the gear selector to get you into neutral.